1 of Grade 5 Romance, I will discuss my declamation. The title of my declamation is Mother Nature's Prize. High up in the air, past the sunlight sky, no one hears the threat that Mother Nature cries. Head in hand she waits, because no one seems to care about the pain she suffers and the life she shares. Then in despair, she raises her quivering voice, she screams to us, now, you have a choice. Nobody has such power, nobody but I. This is the last you'll see. Mother Nature's cry. Till now, I beheld my tongue, but you all will never learn. All you do is take and take, but yet you don't deserve. I am only but so strong, you see. Forever I will not last. And if you keep neglecting me, then you will feel my wrath. My air is no longer clean. My water is no longer pure. And if you do not change your ways, then you will have no more. My wells are running dry. You're cutting down my trees. Don't you hear my prayers? Please, someone, come save me. Have I not given you an abundant supply? All that you ask of me, but yet you ignore my every cry? My pleas, they do no good. No one hears but I. Let me warm your root today when Mother Nature dies. Mother Nature's prize.